I'll scan the recipe card and put it at the bottom of this. Because you'll never be able to follow along.
Okay, we'll give her a couple minutes. Has it boiled?
No.
Toby, don't be recording this. We don't want anybody to know our recipe's not working out. It has nothing to do with the margarita. Nothing to do with margarita. Okay.
What is that? That's the crust. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, it says to pour it on there, but it just doesn't look very porry, does it? I do have to put cheese in there, and the cheese was 4 ounces of Jack cheese.
4 ounces of Jack.
Jack, get back. Oh, do, foot loose, do. Okay. Where is the cheese? Who cut the cheese? Did you see our eye cream bag?
I did.
And we got. Connie's making some kind of, when we drink later, Connie's going to make some kind of an hors d'oeuvre with crackers. What is it, Connie? Could you tell the audience? Could you tell our viewers? Oh, not yet? We got to wait till it's time to make them. You must wait. I just did do 1 2/3 of milk.
I think that it would be the consistency of cornbread to pour over the top.
Doubling a recipe is not what it's made out to be. What?
Bread.
Just a little bit more.
This is the new bread.
No, she speaks the French. Parlez-vous français?
Oui, oui.
That's what I did in my pants on. You guys get me laughing. And I did. You should see the video of all the snoring on the train. I mean, it starts out with Toby really snoring out loud. And then I go to Rhea and I think Kaya then. And they've got big smiles on their face because they're pretending at this stage of the game. And then we go over to Gabriel. He's got a little bit of a smile. And unfortunately, we go to me in my mugshot. And then that's when the pants get wet. So, it's like, heaven help me. Yes, I am.
Yeah, if you can't laugh at yourself.
I do.
You do.
2, 3, 3.
A little bit louder.
What did you say?
Could you be a little bit louder?
Just so the audience will know that Toby's not drinking. So
No,
at least not yet.
No, not yet.
So don't
Hi,
think.
baby girl. How you feel?
Maybe a little more flour? Or you did that already?
Yeah, it's the thing.
Oh, okay. Hey, you know what's gonna.
What'd you do with that? Those are the
Those
crackers.
crackers, you just turn them upside down from time to time so that oil and seasoning. Yep, I'll get covered. You got it, baby.
Alright, what are we doing over here?
I didn't know, just poured it in
Can you get in there? She's spooning.
Spooning.
Spooning. What is spooning? That means something.
It's when you
Romantic.
You lay front to back in the bed.
Huh?
He lays with his front to my back and cuddles in bed.
Spooning was also a word in our parents' time for dating, romancing.
I thought that had something to do in the Olympics when there's something called spooning. In
No, that's
That's curling.
curling.
Gosh, yeah. New Olympic sport is spooning.
You can be the champion.
I would be the champion.
Kinda
Why?
dripping on the
What
stuff.
makes me a good spooner?
You fit perfect.
Oh,
Exactly right.
Chicken.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Shepherd's pie has
I'm going to be a lot of difference because shepherd's pie is a tomato base.
it's gonna look
It's
the
got beef
same.
in it, right?
Uh-huh. Shepherd's pie is a tomato, is it?
Yeah, it has tomato in it.
I've never made a tomato base.
Oh, really? What do you use?
Mashed potatoes. On the top. And a beef.
Yeah, but
Like
you
a
don't
beef.
put any tomato in your beef?
So maybe some canned fresh tomatoes maybe or something.
Putting your crusty stuff in it?
This is Krusty's. Krusty Krab! SpongeBob! I love SpongeBob. I really do. I think it's a cute.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
I can't stand that show.
Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. It's adorable.
You know, have you ever seen Blackjack?
Pineapple.
Blackjack?
Blackjack?
You got the fever. When you kiss me, fever. When you hold me tight.
What's that about?
It's so hot in here.
Yes,
It is. Let's go in the other room while this thing cooks. You want to? So then once you get that on there, it's not like the picture, but I'm sure it's going to be delicious. You put it in the oven. What would have been good is to cut a banana up in a margarita.
No, I've never had a banana in my margarita. You want some more?
Do we have some more ice?
I think so.
Let's try this.
We have water in a freezer.
Connie, what do you think?
Cut.
I've never tried it either.
Let's
but-
try it. Okay. Because we all like bananas, right?
Well,
Toby, you just don't like margaritas?
Look how
Try
nourishing.
I
this.
don't like tequila.
Toby, you can't taste it.
You can't taste tequila.
Whatever.
You
I
can't.
don't like
It's a
salt
mix.
and alcohol either.
So put sugar on it.
You don't
I'm
have
good.
to put salt on it either, so.
Peer
Okay.
pressure does not work for me.
Okay, here we go.
Just wait till we get you off the camera.
Oh, you know what? We should have run that dishwasher because most of before and after.
That's before.
Before.
After 20 minutes. We need 20 minutes.
How long?
20 minutes.
So
20
at
minutes to 400
7.
degrees.
Or until golden brown.
At,
Ew! Julie Child's here.
hello!
What was that award for?
It's the AAM, the Army Achievement Medal, and I got it because myself and Specialist Lundy and Toby edited our sterilization videos.
That's it. That's the finished product, and I think it looks lovely. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it wonderful?
Isn't it beautiful?
La la la, beautiful. La 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 la.
Okay.
Da 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 da.
Oh, here, I got a
Isn't he wonderful, made for?
Alright, can we reiterate what we did here?
We made. Where's
So
the
there's
recipe
another-
card? Got it
I
here.
don't know.
We made some kind of a southern dish. Okay.
Don't get me
We made that southern dish called Western chicken pie with cornbread crust. And this is it. Now
That's
look
it.
at this. I think ours looks better than the picture.
Let's
Check
see.
it out.
That.
We're gonna have green beans with it.
We're going to have green beans with it.
Strawberry margarita. And that's it. And that's cooking in your mama's kitchen or something. I don't
This
know.
ain't your mama's kitchen.
This ain't your mama's kitchen.
Mom.
Starring Aunt Kathy and your mama.
Bad boy.
Yo, mama.
Yeah. Yeah, you mama.
A mean beast is attacking my
I
pet.
don't know who's drinking that wine.
Gabriel, stop attacking the
alright.
pets.
Thank you.
Gabriel's attacking the pets.
Thank you for your assistance.
Never
You're welcome.
Elijah.
Oh, and spicy crackers.
Elijah.
Spicy crackers. So we filling the plates in here.
Easy crazy.